What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. All right, guys, I got the Canon SELPHY CP1500. What is it? It's a portable printer. Yes, this is a portable printer, guys. Welcome to the new world. Not really, this has been out for a while now, but I've always wanted to get my hands on one. Now, what is it exactly? Exactly that. You take pictures with your phone or with your camera. You send it wireless from the camera or the phone to the printer. Boom, in less than a minute, you have yourself a nice, high quality print. I'm excited to use it. Let's unbox this. All right, so this is the Canon SELPHY CP1500 printer. Let's open her right up. All right, upon opening it, we have our user manual or warranty card. This is a tray of ink. I'm sorry, this is a tray of dye. This printer uses dye, not ink. We'll get into that later. This is a tray for the photo printer. And these are sample sheets that come. You only get 5 sample sheets. This is like a trial. You only get 5 trial size sheets. This is the user manual. And here we go. Woo! This, oh my, this is nice and small. This is the actual printer right here. Give me 1 second. My son's gonna go nuts for the bubble wrap. All right. Yeah. Whoa, this is the actual photo printer right here. It's pretty small. It's smaller than I thought. Look at the size of my hand compared to the printer itself. Whoa, I'm actually impressed. All right, and we got the charger and another extension wire for the charger itself. All right, so this goes into this, perfect. All right, so this is it, the Canon SELPHY CP1500. Small, portable, super lightweight. It's the size of my hand, literally. Look at that. It's the size of my hand. I like it. Let's get into it. Starting with the back. In the back, you have your DC in. This is where you would get your wire here, connect it, and then connect straight to a plug to an outlet. But you do have this back door now. Guys, keep in mind, this is something I want to stress. I can't stress this enough. Batteries are not included. So you do have to purchase a separate battery to be able to take this outside with you and get prints on the go outside. I know it kind of defeats the portability, but you do have the option. So now let's swing to the other side. So on this side, you have a USB-C. You can do a wired connection from your phone, the newer iPhones, your Android phones, your laptops, MacBooks, PCs, wherever it is that you have photos stored and you want to print directly from that device, you can through USB-C device. Cool, right? On this side, you're gonna have your ink tray. This is where the ink tray goes. Now, it's not ink. This is a dye cartridge. Once you print with this, the photos are instantly good to go. There's no need to wait for the ink to dry like the Polaroids. You can just grab your picture, start touching it. I mean, I don't know why you want to touch the whole picture, but yeah, you can touch it without having to worry that you're gonna smudge the colors or your colors are gonna run. So the way you do it, you line your ink up with the cartridge, you push it in. There's only really one way it goes in. Now you gotta push all the way in, and once it's all the way in, you see this brown tab right here? It's gonna click. And that's how you know that it's actually good and it's good to go. Now we get to the front. You have this flap that opens, and on the front, guys, you do have this SD card slot. This is the paper tray, guys. You're gonna open it up all the way like so. You're gonna take your paper. Now this is the Canon paper. This is the 4x6 paper. This is pretty much why I bought it, because there were a bunch of little printers that print these cute little mini-sized Polaroids and have they become stickers or whatnot. I mean, nah, we don't want that. We want real pictures. It says remove the sheet before putting in the cassette. So you put them like this. The side that says Canon, this Canon photo paper, you would put it up. Now, there are different sizes of printing paper, guys, you can get for this, and there's different brands as well. Like this, I have 108 sheets that I bought separate. This one cost me about 35 bucks, I believe. You can go on Amazon, again, there's a whole bunch, different brands. Just make sure you get the right one for the CP1500. Cool, so once your paper's in, you close this tab and you lift the top layer. The top layer right here, this is how your paper's gonna just slide onto the top right here. Now, keep in mind, guys, when you push this in, you're gonna hear a snap. Boom. That snap, that means it's ready to go. You put it in right, you're good to go. All right, so now we're gonna turn this on. I do have to say, guys, I haven't set it up. I haven't gone through this yet. So I'm gonna screen mirror my phone and we're just gonna walk through it. I do know that we need an app, so let's just get into it. We're gonna start it. There you go, it's coming to life. As you can see, Canon. Now, again, guys, this is gonna be our first rodeo here, so we're gonna have to go through the setup. I will walk you guys through the setup with me. As you can see on the screen now, it says selfie right here. Now it's gonna say English. Now, what I did notice, guys, is it is not touchscreen, so we're gonna go English. We recommend using the dedicated selfie photo layout app. Okay. Now there you can see there's a QR code, and it's gonna take you over here to the app. Now we're in the app, guys. I'm just gonna put it next to on my screen somewhere over here. Uses cookies, accept, camera. Now again, this is on Android, Google Play, or the Apple App Store. So we're just gonna click it, that's where we're gonna download it to. Open it. Once we're in your agreements, send you notification. Use selfie photo layout to print with selfie compact photo printers. Now you're gonna have which selfie you like to use. You're gonna have your options. I'm using the CP1500. You're gonna click it, register your printer, yes. Scan the QR code. Okay, so now it's gonna tell you to scan the QR code. Remove Wi-Fi networks when the printer is registered via Wi-Fi. Okay. Allow access to the camera in order to register the printer. Yes. Selfie would like to access the camera. Yes. Boom. Let's gonna. Okay. Connecting to the printer for registration. Good. Let's go. Selfie wants to join the network. Join the network. Dun, 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 dun. Selfie would like to find access. Yes. The printer has been registered. Cool. Select the paper size you use. Postcard L. I use the postcard, which is the 4x6. Okay, so we're in. Now it's gonna say photos. Allow full access, because I do need my photos. And let's see, we can do this one. You can put a date, borders, background, print glossy. Okay. Image optimization. No, I don't. That's like if you want them to add some editing, but my pictures are all edited. This was from my DJI, it's already edited. This one has a lot of color, so I want to see how good it is. The printer says busy on the screen right here. Ugh, you can't even see it. Hold on, let me. All images have been sent. Now the printer is printing his first picture. Just for reference, guys, this is the picture that it's printing. Whoa. I mean, it's dry, like I said. This is like, it's dry. Don't ever do this to a picture, but it's dry. Let's compare it to the picture from the phone to the picture it printed. Colors looks nice and vibrant. Picture looks nice and sharp. Oh yeah, I took that. Yep. So the way this works, it goes by putting the dye on the paper. So first it does the yellow color, the base, then it's gonna slide again, do another set of colors, and then the final slide of colors, which will be the gloss pretty much. But pretty cool device. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Pretty nice, neat gadget to have. Now, guys, holiday season's coming up. This right now goes for about $140. But give it about a couple of weeks, you probably find great discounts on it. You could probably find it $130, $125, $120. It'll go down the closer we get to the holidays. Trust and believe. These picture sizes are amazing. They're not the little tiny ones. I've actually seen people in restaurants. We go to eat, camera guy comes, takes a picture, takes it around to the back, prints it out, probably one of these because the pictures are like these. They bring it out to you. They say, here, $20, $20, just for you, just for you. $20 for one of these prints, that's what they're charging in restaurants. Not saying you have to go charge and make money off this. I personally wouldn't. I would love to go do like a street photography type video, print the pictures. Here, give people a nice smile on their face. guarantee you they're gonna give you a nice smile. It's a nice gesture, it's a nice gift. It's a pretty cool device, not gonna lie, it's a pretty cool device. All right, guys, so make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for new updates and new videos coming soon. We do have holiday season around the corner, guys, so I will be picking up a bunch of more gadgets. And, oh, one more thing, guys. This also pulls images from your Instagram account. You can link it to your Instagram. You can download pictures from, only yours though, don't get any ideas, only yours. Pretty cool, guys. So check out my Instagram. I'm gonna leave it right here. I do all my drone shots, my drone cinematography, photography, regular camera stuff, phone stuff, or just everyday life. You can keep up with me there. Without further ado, guys, this is the end of the video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.